Today we're gonna review an interesting app, which app gives you practice English or any language for free of cost if you want to, right? This app gives you two different options, but if you want to practice with the real people, real native speakers from UK, USA, or any other language, for example, Spanish, German, anyone, you can talk with real people. Interesting thing, I'm gonna share with you some real exchange language people who can switch with you and you can switch with them. Like you can exchange the languages, you can teach this language, they will teach you this language, which is really fun way to learn. This app is really great app. I'm sure you already know about this app. The app is HelloTalk. I would like to share with you a screen. I'm gonna share with you some AI things or some new things they have been adding, or the features has been added. Why don't we try to take a look and try to see which one is the best for you and how to use further. Let me share with you. You can see this is HelloTalk app. Here you have so many people. When you click this HelloTalk, you have variants this way where you can see people who have messaged. For example, I waved this person. I said hello just 5 minutes ago, and here you have a connect button. First option that I'm gonna share with you, exchange language, is this simple. For example, this is person, another person, another person. So these people, where they are from, you can see this person is learning officially Hindi, and this person is learning Urdu and Arabic, so many other languages, right? And she lives in Canada. So you can add any language you want to add, which you want to practice, and you can exchange it. How you can do this? Suppose I'm gonna simply say hi to this person and simply clicking this. Now she is learning Hindi and Urdu together. What can I get benefit from her or you? It's simply you have to click this chat and say hello first of all. For example, hello. And now if you want to simply click this call button, you have three options: voice call, video call, and language exchange. One of the best thing is when you're going to click language exchange, you can simply switch. For example, you can learn 5-minute English, you can switch 5 minutes from this person to this another language. When you're going to send an invitation for exchange, this person get your invitations and they can start having voice call, video call, and you can practice equally same amount of time. For example, 5 minutes and 5 minutes. You can change this anytime if you want to do this, right? Here you have option to switch the languages, and that's it. Simply I'm gonna select here length of the exchange, 10-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 20-minute, for example. And here you have to teach me English or any other language, for example. This is just an example. I will teach you Urdu, for example. Just an example for you. And send invitation. Now here is the invitation. Simply you have to send any person you want to do this. Once this person accepts the invitation, you're able to, or you're good to go together and try to start practicing language free of cost, this one. Okay, here you have further options. If you don't understand something, you can translate. It's a really great thing to translate one language to another language, or select any languages you want to select. Moving back again, and here we have options to send voice call, bad partners, practice, location, introduction. There are some create, plan, favorite, and teach. Let's see what we have in teach. In the teach, we have here create class. Like you can talk with people who are paying, but we are not here to pay. We are here to for free, which one I already shared with you, one free options to practice. Moving back, find so many app here, and I'm sure you are allowed to send 5 person per day. So you can send 5 people wave and send an invitation per day, I guess. So here are so many people, and do this. That's a pretty simple way. Next we have here moments, where you can see feed. So many people already send their feed, and here is pretty simple. You can also post and people like you, and sometimes people visit your profile. It is also beneficial for you, right? Perfect. Here we have a voice room. How voice room works, for example, here are so many voice rooms are going on. If you want to join any voice room, you have to simply click the one of them. Raise your hand to go and stage the language exchange with the partner. Here you have to raise the hand. Please wait. This is how you're going to be invited. Simply raise your hand once you're going to wait to start speaking with some person. So some people try to comment you, and here you can translate if you don't understand, if you don't want, here you have all translation if you are really beginner. So whatever the language you have added, you will be able to do this.
Mr. Sen, with whom you are talking?
I'm talking to a student. Who is the student over here?
Oh, that's me. Yeah, that's number 2. I'm a student. I'm a student of English. Yeah, I'm from Nepal. We have the same flag.
And did you know Ladjaji? I think he is quite popular, isn't it?
Who? Laja?
Ladja, yeah.
Who is Laja?
Why not coconut?
Why not Laja?
You can see this is how the people are speaking to each other, and there are so many people. You can also join and start to talk to each other. Here we have a my option, as I already shared with you. Hello world option, you can practice your speaking with hello, maybe kind of word in here, hello language, and more courses. When you click the more courses, you have options like this: English AI, speak your AI ready. You have to simply click speak AI. Now you can practice with AI. Start.
What is your current vocabulary level? Select one.
For example, I'm gonna simply click the beginner, just help for beginners who are practicing English.
What are your English learning goals? Select all that apply.
For example, daily conversation, right?
What topics would you like to discuss? Select all that apply.
Suppose I'm gonna simply all of that.
How much time do you spend practicing English conversation daily?
You can practice 10 days, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, right? It depends. For example, I'm gonna simply click 20 minutes, continue. Here they're analyzing your interest, and here you can see start now. So you have to start speaking with AI.
Hi, how's your day? Anything exciting happen?
Not so far. There's nothing exciting. How about you?
Oh, not bad. I like reading books. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like storybooks. This is how you can give answer. If you want to answer differently, then you can do answer differently. Yes, I really love reading. Reading is one of the best thing I do in my free time.
That's great. What kind of books do you like?
Books that teaches us some kind of real life things, psychological things, maybe financial. So many books that can really help you to be strong and have a good self improvement.
Wow, that's cool. Have you got a favorite one?
I remember I read a book was The Secret of Life by Aaron Dubber. It was a really great app. I really loved. I still remember it clearly. I'm not sure, have you heard of it, this book?
No, I haven't. What was it about?
No, I haven't. What was that about? You can see the pronunciation. You can listen to it again here.
No, I haven't. What was it about?
What was it about, right? Here you can try to copy the text, you can translate, you can read. Here you have to add this phrase in favorite. Here some word, for example, I. I
remember I read book was The Secret of Life by Around Upper. It was really great app, one really loved. I still remember clearly. I'm not sure have you heard of this book?
So some of these words when I was pronouncing was not correct because it was the name of the person, Rhonda Byrne, and the person didn't get it correctly. Okay, the way to pronounce is very important sometimes, so it can help you to pronounce. It's a Rhonda Byrne, RhondaByrne, Byrne. She's an Australian author. Do you get it?
Oh, I see. But what was the main idea of the book?
Well, the main idea.
Yes, what was the main idea that made you love it?
The main idea of the book was talking about life and trying to help people achieve something in their life. Thinking positive, law of attraction, love of attraction. These things are really attractive for me. So that's why I really loved applying into my life, and which helped me to, do whatever I want.
That sounds amazing. Did it change your life a lot?
For sure, it has been changing my life since I started thinking positive, and I've been working on my maybe work more positively rather than thinking other way around. I mean negatively. So I was always focusing on the things that book has been teaching me. So I'm not sure 100% I can say it's really 100% gave me the book I read, whatever they said they have done it. No, not exactly, but definitely I've been getting a lot of improvement.
That's wonderful. So do you have plans to read more like this?
For sure, I'd love to read more books. Like, do you have any book suggestions that would you like to give me?
How about The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle? Have you heard of it?
Unfortunately, no. What is this about?
It's about being in the present moment. It's really good. Do you think you'll give it a try?
Yeah, why not? Do you have one?
Today's free trial limit has been reached. Please subscribe to the membership service or wait until tomorrow to enjoy the free trial again.
Great. So you have a free limited minutes that I've been talking, maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes or more. You can practice 5 or more here with AI here. You can try to start practicing your speaking. Here you have only speaking. Here you have word games. You can select any word game you want to hear. Here you have some listening courses. And again, you have a speaking. You can book tutor here. You have a different tutors, So that's the thing that I wanted to share with you. Two new options to talk with the AI conversation with HelloTalk and try to have exchange thing with people, real people. Audiobooks, library, Hello English, and when you click Hello English, you have so many other options like this. So there are courses, new lessons, HelloTalk conversations, conversation starter. For example, if you want to start here, HelloTalk introduction, I'm sorry, can I help you?
Hi, I'm Clem.
Today's lesson is called How Can I Help You?
This help can help you to practice your listening. Here you have some dialogue.
How can I help you?
Great pronunciation.
Salesperson.
Try something on.
Try something on.
Here you have some grammar. You can try to understand the grammar. Here you have some culture. You can read about it. So that's it. I wanted to show you this app has so many different things. If we want to try to practice, you can practice your idioms here, and you can practice your maybe hobbies. You can practice your interview guidance. Here you have all about interview, writing skills. You want to practice your writing, relationship. Everything is here inside app. This app, if you want to practice for free, you can limit of time every day can also help you great in a great amount of things. So that's how you have to start doing it. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're on HelloTalk, you are allowed to follow me. This will be my account, Hello Lakhan Kumar, Lakhan Damani. You can search it. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, have fun. See you next time. Thank you, guys.